Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust the emergency brake on a Ford F150. First, ensure your truck is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged. Gather your tools, including a jack stands, and a wrench. Safely lift the rear of your F150 and place it securely on jack stands. This preparation is crucial for your safety and a successful adjustment. Now, let's find the adjustment point. Look underneath your F150 for the emergency brake cable. You'll typically find an equalizer or an adjustment nut where the two rear cables meet the main cable. This is the key component we'll be working with. Before proceeding, quickly check the cable for any signs of rust or damage. With the adjustment nut located, you can begin the process. First, slightly loosen the adjustment nut to ensure the cable is relaxed. Then, go into the cab and engage the parking brake lever by pulling it up several clicks, perhaps 5 to 7 clicks. Return to the nut and carefully tighten it until you feel a slight resistance on the cable. After adjusting, it's time to test. Carefully lower your F150 off the jack stands. Drive to a safe, level area or a slight incline to test the emergency brakes holding power. Engage the brake and ensure it holds the truck firmly. Then, disengage it and confirm the rear wheels spin freely, indicating no drag. Your emergency brake should now be properly adjusted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.